And good morning. So this is the passenger side turbo of my '02 Audi allroad, and driver's side one is already in. Took a hell of a long time and some modifications to get it in right, but it is in, and now I'm working on the passenger side. And this is a dual purpose video for YouTube and also to make notes for my eBay supplier, so it's going to sound a little weird to some of you. But I have to reclock this turbo again and some other little things that I wanted to point out. Alright, I have this plug. Dead center of that plug lines up pretty much dead center with this bolt head right here, and this bolt below it, and I can't hold everything at one time, this bolt doesn't line up with this, or almost lines up with this bolt. The other turbo does not. So if I put this center here, I'm touching the edge of the bolt on the lower part of the screen towards me. I'm just touching the edge of this bolt right here. On this turbo, the center of this bolt does not even come close to lining up with that plug and is way off of that bolt. So since my plumbing is all stainless steel and rigidly mounted, this center cartridge has to be turned this way so that everything mounts and lines up properly. So I have to loosen the body bolts on this housing and loosen the body bolts on this housing to rotate the center cartridge, and then I have to rotate this housing to more closely match up with this housing. Second thing is this rod comes out, or comes off of this mounting point, comes out and then comes up away from the turbo. Damn it. Comes out and up away from the turbo to go into this vacuum diaphragm. So there's plenty of clearance here between the rod and body. This one is mounted backwards, or rotated out 180 degrees. This one comes out off its mounting point and goes down towards the turbo housing. There is no clearance here. Somebody installed this wrong. So that has to be loosened up and flipped around so that this bend comes up and goes into its vacuum housing. So just so you know, seller, your turbos aren't perfect, but they are going to do the job once I get them all lined up the way they're supposed to get lined up. And YouTube, I'll keep you updated on the progress. So far the driver's side required some exhaust manifold modification to get it in, which is in my other video. This one so far looks like it's going to fit, but we will see when I actually get it in there. Thank you.